Glad to meet again Cama Group today at Gulfood Manufacturing. I'm almost ready to interview Lorenzo Birro, key account manager of the company. Lorenzo, which solutions Cama Group is showcasing at this edition of Gulfood Manufacturing?
We are actually showcasing a monoblock cartoner for pods of coffee. So we have this integrated solution where we erect cartons from blanks, we fill with spider robots, and then we provide the closing by glue.
How much is important for Cama Group the Middle East market?
Well, the Middle East is actually strategic for Cama Group. As a matter of fact, this year we are bringing a machine to showcase together with our new responsible for the area. This is a renewed interest in massive projects that we have done in the past and that we want also to make in the future, because we feel that there is a thirst for technology and our holistic approach is actually fit for purpose in this market.
Let's go deeply into the sustainability. It's nowadays a very sensitive topic. How Cama Group handle it?
Cama Group is a company based on carton, and carton by definition is a sustainable packaging material. But we try to have more of an holistic approach in the sense that we look at sustainability from the dimensions of the cartons that we make, from the size of the machinery to prevent rejects, but also sometimes to remove plastics from the final packaging to the consumers, providing a cardboard-based solution.
Let's come back to Gulfood Manufacturing. Which are your expectations?
Well, the expectation, as I said before, is actually to renew the importance of the market for Cama, but is also to show our customers some cutting-edge solutions in terms of coffee packaging, both in sustainability but also in variety packs, or also in pet food, where Cama has an extensive experience with wet and dry pet food, as well as the historic sectors or industries like bakery and confectionery.
Well, so thank you so much to Lorenzo Birro, thank you to Cama Group, and enjoy the fair.
Thank you.